The Australian wombat is not only known for its adorable stocky appearance, but also for its peculiar cube-shaped droppings. These solid cubes are created thanks to its intestines squeezing rhythmically, aiding them in marking territory without the droppings rolling away. Amazingly, wombats can dig extensive burrows using their strong limbs and rodent-like teeth, creating networks that provide shelter for numerous creatures. Remarkably, their toughened rear hides a cartilaginous plate, used as a defense mechanism against predators when blocking burrow entrances. Despite their solitary nature, wombats play a crucial ecological role in soil aeration, promoting healthy vegetation.